Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 1.3, chapter 1, integers. Question number 5 has 4 parts, A, B, C and D. So let us solve what it says. It says find the product using suitable properties. Students, they have given us the problem, but we have to find these products using suitable properties. The properties which I have discussed with you in introductory lecture of exercise 1.3, we will use here and find the product. You don't have to simply find the product by multiplying it this and then adding. You have to use the properties which you are supposed to apply here and find the product. So let us start. Students, for solving this type of question, you have to observe the question and think of the property which you can use to solve this problem easily. Students, if you look properly in this question, you can see minus 48 and minus 48 is repeated 2 times. And if I think of using the property, I will use distributive property over addition. That is the properties of multiplication which I have discussed. What it says? Distributive property, A into bracket B plus C. If they have given you this, you have to do what you have to do? A into B, A multiply by B plus A multiply by C. Now students, watch it carefully. You can see plus over here, both the side. You can see 2 terms repeated. So this side they have given you. You have to come to solve this side. You have to take this side to become this side, LHS, and then solve it. So what I will do? I will take A common and then B plus C. Here A is minus 48 common and then into bracket 26 plus minus 36 is equal to minus 48 as it is. 26, we are doing addition of 2 integers with unlike sign. What we do? We subtract the numerical value and keep the sign of the larger value. So 26 minus 36 will give me minus 10. 36 minus 26 is 10 and minus sign. Now multiply 48 into 10. 48 into 10 will be 480, and since it is 2 integers with negative, it will become plus. Wasn't it easy, students? By using distributive property or any other property, we can solve the question in easy manner. That is why we must use suitable properties. Let us move to the B part, but let me write it first. Students, I have written the question. What we must do? We must observe the question carefully and look for the suitable property. Students, if you look this question, you can see here it is simply the multiplication of 3 numbers. So if I think of one property, I can arrange this question and then use the associative property. You know associative property, students. Let me show you. Associative property says if it is A multiplied by B multiplied by C, you can group any 2 numbers and then multiply the third number. So if you are grouping A into B, here if it is grouping A into B, you can group B into C on that side. So let us use associative property. first I will arrange this question. I will write 53 in first position, then 8 multiplied by 1 minus 125. Now students, I will group first these two numbers and then multiply with 53. 125 into 8 is 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 1000 and minus sign as it is. Now we will multiply it with 53 and our answer will be 53,000. To multiply any number with 10, 100, 1000, it is very easy. You have to multiply just the three numbers, you have to just add there. So wasn't it easy, students? Let us move to the C part, but let me write first. So I have written this question, watch it, and don't simply multiply the four numbers. You have to think of one suitable property and then solve it. As I have solved associative property above, I will solve the same property and solve this question, but I will arrange it first. So let us arrange. Let me arrange this 15 multiplied by minus 10. Let me take it first and group them and group the other two numbers, that is minus 25 into minus 4. Why, students? You will see the difference. It will be very easy. Which property I have used here? Associative property. Now multiply 15 into 10, very easy, minus 150, because 15 into minus 10, and 25 fours will give me 100 and minus 2 times, that is even, so it will become plus 100. Now multiply 150 with 100, students. Very easy, I have told you, anything multiply with 100, 1000, 10, you have to just multiply that 2 zeros we have to add to the first product. So it will be 150 and then 2 zeros, that will be minus 15,000. It was very easy, students. Now let us move to the part D. Today we will solve 4 parts, students. Rest 4 parts we will solve in new lecture, in new video. Let me first write that part. Now students, you can see they have given us 2 numbers. We have to find the product using suitable properties. I can't multiply it simply because they have told us use property. So what I will do here, I will write minus 41 as it is and then multiply this 100, I will write as 100 plus 2. Now if you look to these numbers, you can easily make out that I want to use A multiplied by B plus C, A multiplied by B plus C using distributive property. What I will do, I will multiply A into B then plus A into C. This is distributive property, students. So I will apply the same here. Minus 41 multiplied by 100, see A into B plus A into C, that is minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 100 will give me 4100 plus minus 41 into 2 will give me minus 81. Students, this calculation will make your problems, the calculations easy. If you use the suitable properties, it will make the problems to solve easily. Now we are adding two integers with the same sign. What we do, we add the numerical value and keep the same sign, that is common sign. So adding 41, sorry, here it is 41 into 2 is 82, students, sorry. So 4182 and the common sign, that is minus sign. Wasn't it easy, students? Using properties, it makes your sum easy. Today we have solved 4 parts of this question. We will solve next 4 parts in new lecture. Hope you like this video lecture and understood it. If didn't understood, please go through it once more. We will meet with the new lecture in new video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.